And we are back in New Zealand and this place called Hunua Falls. It's gonna be an interesting day. Let's check it out. What a feeling, man. Because for the past week, almost 10 days, we're in Auckland visiting all the suppliers, and was pretty stressed because a lot of the suppliers here are new to me and the distance are very far away. So finally we gathered a lot of information and bought a couple of things. So we're taking a 1 month off before the truck arrives, and we're going for our hike in New Zealand again. Okay, it's gonna be a fun trip. Cheers. It's been almost a year we haven't went for hiking, and today is a bit lost a bit of breath. Take my breath away. Let's continue.
Hunua Ranges Regional Park.
One of the best things to do nothing. Leave the ends here. Yeah, as usual, it's about 5:30 now. It's getting dark, so we gotta hurry up, walk out of here, else it'll be pitch dark soon. Yep, this is the Hunua Falls. Walk one big round. Finally we get to see the Hunua Falls.